Hi, welcome to the channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Haven't done much Corvette content here lately, and it's been killing me. So finally I managed to crawl underneath and do a modification to the crossmember to make this transmission fit. For those of you who don't know, let me switch the camera around here because I'm sure you're tired of looking at my ugly. There we go. Here's a not very glamorous shot of my 1972 Corvette, and it has in it a Richmond 5-speed transmission. Now, okay, here is a shot of what I've done to the crossmember, and this is a I gotta stand up to show you the whole thing. This is the crossmember for the transmission on a Turbo 400 on a 72 Corvette, and I've swapped in, as I said before, the Richmond 5-speed. And what I had to do was and the reason this looks so splotchy is I just shot the paint. It's drying as we're filming this, so and please ignore the holes. The die grinder slipped. When I bolt it up, it is covered and it's structurally sound. So there's a part of me that wanted to fix that, and the other part is tired of having this crossmember out literally 7 times while I was testing everything. You could go back and touch some of that up with some welding rod and make it look pretty. No one's ever going to see it. There's going to be other parts where I'm very fastidious and try to get everything perfect. Today's not that day. Maybe at a later date I might, if I have to pull it out for any reason, but anyway. So here's the original holes for the Turbo 400 mount, and the Richmond 5-speed mount is located forward of the crossmember. And what I had to do was weld on a plate, which is a little hard to see here. This gives you a little better shot of what I had to do, and do the reinforcements so that, pardon the shop dog, make it so that nothing breaks going down the road. So that's what you have to do to put a Richmond 5-speed transmission in a C3 Corvette. And hopefully this helps somebody. Wish the video were longer, but I'm a little tired, and it took me quite a bit to even get to this point. And I'm going to end the video here, and thank you for watching. And as always, please tell anybody any way you can, anytime you can. Shout it from the rooftops, text, drums, smoke signal. Anyway, I'm tired, so I'm rambling. But thank you for watching, and if you think anybody might be interested, let them know. I'd love to have some more subscribers. We're really trying to get this channel going. Thank you.